We're learning that Elon Musk's SpaceX Starship rocket has broken up mid-flight. Starship rocket has broken up mid-air, spreading debris all around. Now, the malfunction took place when the tests were being conducted to see the mega rocket's capabilities. And look at those visuals on your screens, viewers. That's the SpaceX Starship that broke up mid-flight. It was lost during the 7th test launch. In fact, Elon Musk has also taken to his social media platform X to release a statement. He says success is uncertain, but entertainment is guaranteed. Visuals of the SpaceX Starship destroyed during the 7th test flight launch. Mid-air breakup of SpaceX flight. Dramatic, very, very dramatic visuals on your screens, viewers. Elon Musk also putting out a statement. Let's go across to Shivangi, who's joining us from the newsroom to get us more on this. Shivangi, those are the visuals, and Elon Musk has also issued a statement on the Starship collapse mid-air. What reasons have been attributed to this breakup?
That is right. Now, yes, we have those visuals for our viewers, quite dramatic visuals coming in. I just want to read out the statement that Elon Musk has made, where he is giving a couple of reasons as to why this happened. He's saying the preliminary indication is that we had an oxygen fuel leak in the cavity above the ship engine firewall that was large enough to build pressure in the excess of the vent capacity. Apart from obviously double checking for leaks, we will add fire suppression to that volume and probably increase vent area. Nothing so far suggests pushing next launch past next month. So this is the latest statement coming in, and you can see as well, viewers on the screen, that this rocket exploded minutes after into its 7th test flight. And though it is being seen as a setback for Elon Musk's company, still Elon Musk is saying that they will be looking into these technical issues which are faced that led to this kind of the rocket being destroyed. Now, also, the crash has forced airline flights over the Gulf of Mexico to alter the courses to avoid the falling debris. So, as you can see that because this Starship got destroyed, a lot of debris could be seen falling back into Earth. You can see those pictures coming in. Debris is falling back into the Earth. So, a lot of airline flights over Gulf of Mexico have to alter their routes because of this. So, these are the pictures we're getting for our viewers. Now, this SpaceX mission control lost contact with the Starship carrying its first test payload of mock satellites, but no crew. There was no crew. That's a point I want to make. There was no crew on this Starship, Kriti. But for now, Elon Musk, like I read out the statement, has said that they will be looking into this issue, and there seems to be some technical faults which led to this incident. Back to the studio.
Well, thank you for joining and sharing that with us. With that, viewers, we'll now quickly shift our focus to take a look at some of the other top stories from across the nation in Bharat in 2 minutes.